How do catch-all campaigns work in PPC and how can they help you achieve low ACOS with FBA? So what catch-all campaigns are, not sure who came up with this term, but basically catch-all campaigns are you're going to add either your whole product catalog within one campaign and add a very, very low bid for that specific campaign and see how products are going to perform. Usually this type of campaigns are at a very low bid and basically don't spend a lot, but they have the potential of bringing you a lot of sales. So those could be a catch-all campaign. In the agency, what we like to also do is a catch-all campaign for us. It can be also a campaign where we have multiple variations. Now we're going to add all the products that are super similar to this one and have the same or very similar price range. That can also become a catch-all campaign because you're adding all the products and want to see the outcome, like which products that are going to perform from that campaign. Technically, catch-all campaign is just you're going to bid low and hoping for sales. It's not a technique I would highly recommend if you want to scale your overall revenue, but it can work for your account if you want to get some cheap sales or low ACOS sales.